everyone will be playing Roblox because I have no content for Fortnite. Fortnite is dead right now. Crying out loud. Got one. That was amazing. That game already ended. That was so quick. That was easy. Beach. It is just cool. I mean, I played this last day though. I want to warm up for this recording. Didn't warm up for this recording. I guess I have to be ready. I got a hush puppy. I don't know how you say that. Knife. And it's like a silenced pistol. I don't want this. I died. That's okay. We got this in the bag. The recording is going to be fire. No content for Fortnite right now. I won. Fortnite is dead right now. Look, I can't find any content right now. Fortnite content is so hard to find. Because after this, I just silent pissed him, and then after that, I turned out my knife. I don't know. I should make a montage about this. This would be my new game. Because Fortnite is dead right now, and I can't find any content, and I really need content right now. I don't know what it called is. Wait, I see one. I got third party. This is more funny by the way. It's like first person. Kind of more funner. Because they don't do an update all week. And this is kind of more fun. I'm going to try something new. I can't pull daily uploads on Fortnite all day. My channel would die. And I need new content. So I'm doing it. I'll be doing a video tomorrow about Fortnite dying. Because Fortnite is dead right now. Got him. What happened to Fortnite? And why is it not... I'm not contenting anymore. That's cool. I'm allowed to play this because it's streaming and I'm allowed to play Fortnite. It kind of like Fortnite. It's kind of fun like Fortnite. It's called Arsenal in Roblox. I hate that gun. This gun, I think musket. We call it musket. Walk out. Oh. No, not even fair. How do you spray with that? I'm sorry, Phantom. I'm just getting mad right now. I'm just wondering how do these people get powerful weapons that I don't. Mine takes like 1 shot. Like 5 shot. These other people have like 45. White, 45 white. You know how I would have shield in this game? I think my teammate will finish him out. I don't understand this game at all. But I'll learn over the proxet a few days. I'm a bot at this game. I was good at last day though because I was warmed up, but not anymore. That blue guy keeps on running away with his red team. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, what? I can default it, by the way. I don't know if I can get copyright with it. Song. And I'm happy to do something new too. Fortnite. All my friends quit. My friends. And also shout out, by the way, to Red XP. He quit Fortnite because there were a lot of sweats, and I get why. How are you hitting that? Is it MKI? They don't have these weapons for it, right? It's like a soft weapon. I can't hit my shots with this. Yeah. Him 22, but he's a wizard with Thor's hammer, and I can't defeat him with Thor's hammer, I don't think. Crying out loud. I got him! I got him! Is it a scar? A sculpt scar? I got him! That was sick! A sniper. I'm good with these snipers. Hit him! Saw that. That will be amazing if I got that. That is so cool after I hit him with a 100. He didn't know where it was. I just want another sniper and get another easy sniper shot. I can't zoom in either. I died. It's like gun game. You get to switch guns from different games. If you ever play that game. I won't let that happen again. No. How did I get... Wait, I lost the level. Reload the gun. How did I not get that kill? Let's go! Was that a no-scope? Oh. I'm not the best at this game. Come on, I got a chance to zoom in. If I had no shields, I don't know if I could hit them. I don't understand this game already. Hit them in the head for what? 300. Goodbye, amigos. What did... Oh, it's like almost the same gun from last time. A wizard sniped me. Come on. Got the wizard. Insane at the game. Hit half my shots. Happy to play this game. Take a break from Fortnite for a little bit and play this new game. Whatever game it is. Oh, I can't hit my shot. The blue team are my enemies, and if you see the red team, they're my teammates. Got him! Oh, that my red. I got killed. I'm like popping off right now. I might put this on my montage. Might strip. Might do Rock League today too. You can do all of that. How do you get a racket for a knife? Robert, no, a Webby. Whatever. I can't see that. This is like popping off. This is easy. Well, I don't get talking to my friends, but that's okay. You still get to play. The gameplay is like fire. And you're supposed to get the highest skills and rank up. I don't understand this game. You spray and pray. No, there. I lost the level. I wish you could zoom in like Fortnite can. So, see if you can't zoom in. I still like it. I won. I don't know if I won. I got like, but I don't know how many kills I got. I can't tell my kills. No, I don't want to go to locker. Extra shot. Destroy. Let's go red. Oh, I know this map. I'm the best at this map. Mark. Oh. No, they took my kill. I know my way around the map. You told me. Got him. Is that AR I got? AR? I think I got an AR. I think you call it a different word in this game. But it's AR. How do you get me to do that? Are you supposed to, can you throw your knife? Or like, Valorant, I only see a little bit of Valorant. No, I hit him for 100 and I'm not good at everything. I'm good at video games. But, that's okay. The powerful noob killed me. Tell me if you like the new game, and tell me if you don't, if you do. I'm running out of content too. Stop playing the copyrighted music! Crying out loud. Playing copyrighted music is bad. I don't play copyrighted music because you can get copyright strike, and I don't get money for this, but you still get copyright strike. I feel like I'm gonna get famous after this. Huh? I was laggy. Hold on, you saw that. That's not an excuse. You saw that, guys. I knew you saw that. That thunder gun is so underpowered. I don't know why. I like emoting. That kid emoting